Hello everyone. In previous video I have explained about monovalent electronegative radicals. Today we will discuss di, tri and tetravalent electronegative radical. And these are very important. If you can learn all these things, then it will be very easy for you to write different formula. So pay attention and try to understand. Okay, I will explain with help of certain example also. First we start with divalent electronegative radical or acid radical. So first one is oxide. Oxide, oxygen will gain 2 electron to form oxide. So what is the valency of oxide? 2 minus. Then see peroxide. Peroxide, O2 molecule of oxygen having valency 2 minus. That will be known as peroxide. And superoxide is also there. Here O2 having valency 1, it will be known as superoxide. So just write together and try to learn. Oxide O2 minus, peroxide O2 2 minus, and superoxide O2 1 minus. Later I will explain you how they form compounds also. Then carbonate. Carbonate I think very simple. You already know carbonate. Carbonate is CO3 2 minus. Then learn sulfate, sulfite and sulfite together. Sulfate is SO4, valency is 2 minus. Then what will be the formula of sulfite? 1 oxygen less than sulfate. Sulfate having 4 oxygen, then sulfite will have 3 oxygen. SO3 2 minus is known as sulfite. And sulfide, when sulfur will gain 2 electron, it will form sulfite. So S2 minus is sulfite. So learn together only sulfate SO4, sulfite SO3, sulfide S. All are having same valency 2 minus and 2 minus. Then silicate. Okay, 8 it means oxygen is present, compound of silica. Silicate SiO3 valency is 2 minus. Then thiosulfate also, S2O3 2 minus is thiosulfate. These you may not use in 9th standard, but you should learn silicate and thiosulfate. Then zincate is very important. Zincate ZnO2 2 minus is the valency, because you will study potassium zincate, sodium zincate, so many compounds you will study. So this you should remember, ZnO2 2 minus. Okay, here one word it can be asked, anion having metal in it. So this is zincate. Anion is still what is present? Metal is present, zinc metal is present. Then plumbite, PbO2 2 minus is the valency. Okay, then magnate, MnO4 2 minus. Now compare permanganate and magnate. What is the difference? Both are having same formula, MnO4. Permanganate valency is 1 and magnate valency is 2 minus. Okay, so that is the difference. Then chromate, CrO4 2 minus. Dichromate you will study in 9th standard, Cr2O7 ammonium dichromate. Valency of dichromate is 2 minus. Okay, so now try to learn those electronegative radical which you have to use in 9th standard especially, but you should know all. If you can learn, it's very well and good, but you especially those which you are going to use in 9th standard, that you especially learn. Like oxalate and stanate you may not use in 9th standard. So next we will come to trivalent. Trivalent, it means valency is 3, electronegative radical having valency 3. Now you will see number of radicals will decrease as the valency will increase. So trivalent we will study phosphate, PO4 3 minus, valency is 3. Now phosphate, phosphite means 1 oxygen. So phosphate and phosphite, so you can learn very easily. Phosphate 8 means, suppose here phosphate, how many oxygens are there? 4 oxygen, PO4 3 minus. Then phosphite will have 3 oxygen, 1 oxygen less than 8. Phosphite PO3 3 minus. Then phosphide also, first together you learn. I have written nitride here, better you learn phosphide, phosphate, phosphide and then phosphide D. P 3 minus. Phosphorus trivalent element, it will gain 3 electron to form phosphide ion P 3 minus. Okay, phosphate PO4 3 minus, phosphide PO3 3 minus, and phosphide P only and 3 minus. Then nitrite, nitrogen will gain 3 electron to form nitride N 3 minus is nitrite. Borate also, BO3 3 minus is borate. Then ferricyanide, you will see ferricyanide and then tetravalent में ferrocyanide is there. Both will have same formula FeCN6. In ferrocyanide also FeCN6. What is the difference? Valency is different. That also you will not use in 9th standard, ferricyanide and ferrocyanide, but try to understand. It's better to learn as it is given. Okay, so ferricyanide valency is 3 minus and ferrocyanide is valency is 4 minus tetravalent. Tetravalent only 2 you will study, one carbide. Carbon will form carbide. Okay, but carbon will not gain electron. Okay, so here carbon valency is 4, tetravalent carbide, and ferrocyanide is also tetravalent FeCN6. So compare like ferricyanide and ferrocyanide, learn together permanganate and magnate, and then phosphate, phosphite, sulfate, sulfite, nitrate, nitrite, like all these things you try to learn like. Okay, so now certain example I'll give you so you can understand better. Like here, first we started with oxide, peroxide and superoxide. Oxide, oxygen valency 2 minus. Okay, only O 2 minus. So here just see in first K2O, it is potassium oxide, and K2O2, it is potassium peroxide, because here O2 combined with 2 potassium atom. It means here valency of O2 is equal to 2 minus. So it is potassium peroxide. And last one KO2. Here O2 valency is 1 only because it combined with 1 potassium atom only. So it is potassium superoxide. Okay, now you can compare, and then it will be same way you can write for other nitrogen alkali metal you write, because all superoxides are not stable, in some cases peroxides are not stable. So just according to your syllabus you learn only. So I have given example of potassium. So potassium oxide, second one is potassium peroxide, and third one is potassium superoxide. Clear? Then potassium permanganate KMnO4, and what will be the formula of potassium magnate? K2MnO4, because permanganate valency is 1 only, it combined with 1 potassium, and manganate valency is 2 minus, so it combined with 2 potassium, K2MnO4. Okay, same way see ferricyanide FeCN6 valency is 3, and ferrocyanide FeCN6 valency is 4. So first will combine with 3 potassium, potassium valency is 1. Okay, so K3 FeCN6 is potassium ferricyanide, whereas K4 FeCN6 is potassium ferrocyanide. Ammonium dichromate you have studied in 8th standard also. So just see ammonium dichromate, chromate valency, dichromate valency is 2 minus, ammonium valency is 1 plus. Cross the valency, what formula you will get? NH4 whole twice Cr2O7. Okay, and thiosulfate one also I have given thiosulfate. Thiosulfate is S2O3 with valency 2 minus. So it combined with 2 sodium, because sodium valency is 1 only. So Na2S2O3 is sodium thiosulfate. So these are certain examples. So if you can learn this table of electronegative radicals and electropositive radicals with symbol, formula and valency, then you will find very easy to write different formula. Okay, thank you.